Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all will be in good health. I am your science teacher of grade 4. Students, open your book, page number 19. In previous class we were discuss exoskeleton. Some animals like earthworms do not have any bones or exoskeleton. Now there are some animals which do not have bones or exoskeleton. Exoskeleton is actually the hard outer covering. Their bodies are soft. They use their muscles to crawl. What do you mean by crawl? Crawl means move slowly on hands and knees. Crawl means move slowly on hands and knees. Now their bodies are soft and they use their muscles to crawl. The body of a caterpillar is soft. It is filled with a watery substance. This water supports its body and helps it to move. Now the body of caterpillar. Here is a picture of caterpillar. The body of caterpillar is soft. It filled with watery substance, and this water support its body to move, and it helps in movement from one place to another. It's a picture of caterpillar. Movement in plants. Now how plants can move, how the movement occurs in plants. Plants are living things. As you know that plants are living things. They can move, but their movement are very slow. They cannot move from one place to another on their own. Now these plants can move, but the movement of plants are very slow. They cannot move from one place to another on their own. Some tiny plants like that live in water can move by themselves. They have an eye spot which helps them to move towards or away from the sunlight. Now some tiny plants that live in water, they can move by themselves. They have an eye spot which helps to move towards or away from sunlight. They can move towards or away from sunlight. Come to the next page, page number 20. They move by swimming using hair-like structure called the flagellum. Now this watery small plants can move by swimming. They have hairs like structure which is known as flagellum. Underline this word. Examples of such plant are Euglena and Chlamydomonas. Here is a picture of Euglena and Chlamydomonas. Now these can move by swimming using hair-like structure. Here is a eye spot. This part is known as eye spot. Plants need light to make their food. The food of a plant is made in the leaves. The stem of a plant grows towards the light and the leaves turn to face the light. Now plants need light to make their food. The stem of the plants grows towards the light and the leaves turn to face the light. The roots of plants grow downward to find soil and water. Some flowers open up in daylight and close at night. Now the roots of the plants grow downward to find soil and water. Some plants open up in daylight, but some close at night. There are some flowers which open up in daylight but close at night. Remember and understand. Is there movement in plants? It's a question. Is there movement in plants? Yes, because plants can move, but the movement is very slow. Yes, the plants can move and the movement is very slow. I wonder, do plants move towards or away from strong wind? The question is, do plants move towards or away from strong wind? No, they cannot move towards or away from strong wind. They can just destroy. They move through light because through light they can prepare their own food. So they just turn the face to the light. The leaves turn the face to the light and the plants grows towards the light. It's enough for today. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.